everyone, my name is Misri Thakur. I study in class 6B in Srishti English Medium School. Today I am going to present a presentation on Champaran Movement 1917. It was India's first civil disobedience movement. What is Satyagraha? The idea of Satyagraha emphasized that if the cause is true, if the struggle against injustice, then physical force was not necessary to forge the oppose, truth and non-violence. The organizers were Gandhiji, Braj Kishore Prasad, Rajendra Prasad, Anugrah Narayan Sinha, Ramnami Prasad, Nandarajan Sharma. The location was Champaran district of Bihar, India. About 100 years ago, on a day very much like this, Mohandas Gandhi travelled in a train with no AC to reach Champaran to hold India's first civil disobedience movement. Under the British rule, many farmers in Champaran district of Bihar were forced to grow indigo in their lands, much to their dismay. To fight this, a moneylender named Rajkumar Shukla reached out to Gandhiji and requested him to come and help them. As Gandhiji wrote in his autobiography, he did not even know of Champaran before this. Nonetheless, he came down to this district on April 10 of 1917 with a band of lawyers, including Dr. Rajendra Prasad, to fight it out with the British. There had been the Indigo riots in 1859 to 1860, but this was a new struggle altogether. Gandhiji and his lawyers travelled across the district to different villages, meeting farmers and taking note on their sufferings and complaints against the forced indigo cultivation. Ever since Gandhiji arrived in Champaran, the British rulers started keeping a close eye on his moves. Finally, on April 15th, he was given an ultimatum at Motihari by the commissioner to leave Champaran. To that, Gandhiji responded that he wouldn't leave but was ready to bear the penalty of civil disobedience. It was apparent now that Gandhiji would be taken to jail for this resistance. As a response, scores of Champaran tenants turned up in protest outside the jail, police stations and courts. In the end, troubled by this unusual form of resistance that spilled no violence, the government was forced to let go of Gandhi. The country thus has its first direct object lesson in civil disobedience, Gandhiji wrote in his autobiography. The struggle against forced indigo cultivation continued. Now, however, the possibility of Gandhiji's arrest was no more imminent. But he put together a plan, a chain of people who would take over the work if he or anyone after him was arrested. This way, the struggle would go on with or without him. The struggle went on. The civil disobedience continued. The protest and hunger strikes ultimately ended with the abolishing of the cultivation of indigo, or as it was known then, the Tinkathya system. The landlords under the British government were made to sign an agreement that granted the farmers more control over what they wanted to grow on their own lands, among other benefits. It was during this movement when Gandhiji was first referred to as Bapu or Mahatma, or so goes the legend. The Champaran Satyagraha of 1917 was the first Satyagraha movement led by Gandhiji in India and is considered as an historically important rebellion in the Indian freedom struggle. It was farmers' uprising that took place in Champaran district of Bihar, India. During the British colonial period, The farmers were protesting against having to grow indigo with barely any payment for it. Champaran Satyagraha was the first popular Satyagraha movement. Champaran Satyagraha gave direction to India's youth and freedom struggle, which was tolerating between moderates and prescribed Indian participation within the British colonial system, and the extremists of Bengal who advocated the use of violent methods to topple the British colonialists in India. Thank you.